Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Ableton Live 12 on Windows. Firstly, head to the Ableton website and download the appropriate version for Ableton Live. Save the zip file to your computer. Now, right-click on the downloaded zip file and extract all from the drop-down menu. Locate the extracted folder and double-click Ableton Live 12 or 11 depending on your version. The wizard will guide you through the installation process. Just ensure you install Live to the default location and do not decompress data.cab files into the folder. They will be processed automatically. Now, right-click on the downloaded zip file, extract all, and then click the Setup file located in the Unpacked folder. Install it to the default location, and after installation, you'll find the Live shortcut in the Windows Start menu. Now all you have to do is to start Ableton and enjoy using it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.